IKEA is a DIYer's dream. But one thing's for certain, we love adding our own personality to IKEA furniture. And one way to do that is to add a splash of paint. Let me show you how. Wait, one thing before we get started. If the furniture was just purchased, leave it unassembled. It's easier to paint, and then once dry, assemble it. Use a 120 grit sanding sponge across all surfaces that will be painted. A light sanding will help the paint stick to the surface. Wipe down the newly sanded pieces so that it is clear of all dust and debris. If there is one thing that you do not want is bits of dust mixing with your paint. Paint the primer on all surfaces that will be painted. Use a primer that is shellac-based. Make sure to let this sucker dry overnight. I recommend a cabinet paint with a hard enamel finish. This will provide a smooth surface that is durable and easy to clean. Now hold on a minute. Let's talk about what painting tool to use. A paint roller with a rounded end is great for larger pieces. A paint brush can get into the grooves, but a paint sprayer will provide a smooth and professional look. Either one will work. And for some pieces, a roller can be used to paint the larger sections, while a brush can help with edging. Then, let the paint dry for 2 to 3 hours before applying a second coat of paint. Then let it hang out for 1 to 2 days before moving to the next step. It's been a few days. Your fingers are twitching. You've checked your pieces and they are dry. So grab the IKEA instruction manual, that only sometimes makes sense, and start your assembly. Now you know how to add a splash of color and personality to your IKEA furniture. For more DIY projects, check out FamilyHandyman.com.